off through the midnight air.
I was lost before you turned around. Now I'm found in the sound of your name. Every heartbeat learns new rhythm since the moment that you came.
There's a one behind your eyes, a flame that never says goodbye. Hold me closer than the stars hold sky. Let this moment never end.
Your touch is gentle like summer rain, falling soft on the heart that needs to mend. I would cross an ocean just to find you, walk through fire just to feel you near.
Every whisper word you give me echoes louder than my fear. You're the reason colors learn to glow. You're the only place my heart wants to go.
And it builds like a storm in my chest. Every breath that I take, you're the only request. I can't slow it down, I don't wanna resist. This is love, this is real, this is bliss.
After Brazil,
burning bright for you.
every spark, every flame
Says it's true.
You're the fire,
You're the light, you're the reason why.
my heart keeps dancing every time you're nearby.
Won't you stay tonight?
Let this love keep burning
Till the morning light. Time moves slow when I'm next to you. Every second feels like gold in my hand. I would write your name across the sky so the whole wide world would understand.
You're the melody I never finished writing, the missing verse my heart had to find. Now every song I sing belongs to you. You're written into every line.
Nothing feels the same since you walked through that door. My heart found a home it didn't know before. Every glance you give, every word you say slowly pulls the dark inside me away.
I never planned on falling this deep, but here I am, I promise I wanna keep you. Turn my silence into a song, make me believe that I belong.
With every sunrise I think of your face. The way you move is such quiet grace. You're the calm after every storm I've known. The only place I've ever called home.
And it rises higher than before. Every moment with you I keep wanting more. I won't run from this fire, I won't look away. This is love and I'm choosing to stay.
I despise it, burning bright for you.
Every spark, every flame
Says it's true.
You're the fire,
You're the light, you're the reason why.
my heart keeps dancing every time you're nearby.
I despise it, won't you stay tonight? Let this love keep burning till the morning light.
You're the warmth I didn't know I needed, the quiet voice that always succeeded in turning my doubts into something true. Every part of my heart belongs to you.
I used to wonder what love could be, then you showed up and set me free. Now every breath I take is for you.
Every dream I have, you're walking through. You make the ordinary feel like art. Every little thing you do moves my heart. I never want this feeling to fade. You're the best decision my soul ever
You're
made.
the noise of the world, you're my peace, the one love that never has to cease. Every time you smile, the world feels right. You're my favorite kind of light.
I hold this love like it's made of gold, never letting go, never growing cold. You're the fire that taught my heart to feel. Nothing about this love is unreal.
Even on the hardest, darkest days, you find a way to clear the haze. Your love is the anchor, the steady ground, the safest place I've ever
I keep choosing you again and again, through every season, through every bend. You're not just a feeling, you're a promise I made, a love that will never fade.
The world could shake, the skies could fall, but you'd still be the one I call. Through every doubt, through every fear, you're the reason I'm still here.
I don't need the world to understand this love we built with our own hands. As long as you're here, I'm never alone.
You turn my heart into your home.
So let the fire burn,
Let it never stop.
every spark
We made was worth every drop.
I love you louder
And then the world